So right now, we're gonna go to the property, one of our flip properties in Conroe that we just got a couple days ago. The guys should all be there, I hope.
Hopefully
right?
they're there on time.
I know some of them went to lunch right now, so I'm gonna be a little limited on the guys being there right now, but they should be all there.
Looks like they're there. I see them.
There's some there. Definitely got the tree guys there and the pool guy there. Probably cleaning up a little bit.
Yeah, they're definitely
Back up real quick. I know the plumber was here earlier. He came to take a look and see what all he needed to do. And let's go inside and take a look. Talk through this over here. Oh, the dumpster's almost full. I need to call, get another dumpster, I'm sure.
All right, they already started.
Actually, let me call him now and do that. Let me see. Where is he at? Let me see. We can wait a little bit. Where you at, Kristen? Yeah, it's gonna need it today, but I don't know how much more. And y'all cleaned up pretty quick.
Oh, yeah.
Almost done.
Yes, sir. You take these out?
Yeah, probably ought to.
I was trying to be able to solve.
Just a little bit.
Faster, a little bit cleaner.
A little bit cleaner.
Yeah.
Anything else back here? Oh yeah, the stump. Today?
Yeah. And then hook the pumps up.
Okay.
Gonna hook the pumps up, gonna power wash, gonna start pumping some of the pool out, you know, get it progress on work, you know, got the lawn done, the trees cut, all that good stuff, you know.
Okay.
Moving along, my brother.
Okay, sounds good. I forgot to tell you earlier, the plumber showed me those PVC pipes that are over there. I don't know if it's to this. I don't know if it's to
I think
this.
it's to the sprinkler system.
We thought that it was,
Yeah.
but he turned it on and
Nothing.
nothing. The front worked, but the back didn't.
What I could do is, when I hook it all up, I could pop it loose and see, you know, if it has any back pressure, see what's
Okay.
coming up out of there. Either it's water, you know,
Okay,
from where, either sprinkler system or the pool pump.
okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Let's go this way. Let's see. Something over here. I think we are done. I just wanted to come check it out. Hi, I'm Daniel Stevens,
And I'm Kristen Stevens.
and we are Flippin' Reality Homes. So we've been doing this since 2018. Right now I'm standing at one of our projects right now. It's a flip that we're doing in Conroe, Texas. And I'm gonna show you guys, kind of take you around, kind of show you what we're doing. We got this property about 2 days ago. My guys are here doing demo today, kind of cleaning up some stuff around the house. And let me take you inside, I'll show you what we're doing.
Let's take a look.
So when we got in here, there was a lot of furniture, there was a lot of stuff everywhere. We did kind of like a little one-day estate sale in here, and kind of got rid of some stuff, but my guys are, of course, came in here today and started throwing everything else away that we couldn't get rid of. So right here, this is a living room, and what we plan on doing here is basically adding recessed lights, put new fans. We're gonna paint all of this. We're gonna put new floors. We're gonna do all of this in here.
We're gonna make sure that it's aesthetically nice so the buyer can appreciate all the work that we put into it as well.
Yeah. And come in
Take
here.
you around the room.
So we got a half bath here. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath house. It's gonna be completely renovated by the time we finish with it. It's a dining area, new chandeliers, new lights.
We're going to take you into the kitchen and show you what we normally do, but in this case, what we're going to have to do because of the restricted floor plan that it is.
Yeah, so we originally, we go into houses and we open them up. We try to knock down walls to make it open to the kitchen and living area. This one we couldn't do because the staircase is right behind here. But what we plan on doing, basically brand new countertops and cabinets, new appliances, new floors, getting rid of this fan that's in the kitchen. I have no idea why people put fans in the kitchen, but you know, it is what it is. We're gonna remove all of this stuff, remove all the wallpaper, double oven here.
We're going to take you around to this room over here. And then show you around and see, sometimes our guys over here,
This is
What
this
we
is kind of what
see every day.
they're doing here, kind of getting some stuff.
oh. Well, okay.
So right now we're gonna take you upstairs. It's a little bit nasty, a little bit.
We're going to
dirty,
show you what we
little
deal
bit
with
stinky.
every day.
But yeah, this is kind of what we do. We've bought projects like this. We've gotten them a lot worse than this. So some of the stuff we have to see and do sometimes is not for the faint of heart. But you know, it's a good project to have.
We're going to put some more life into it, and hopefully a family will enjoy all the hard work that was put into it. Watch your step. Oh, they took the stairs out.
That was
Did you not?
supposed to happen.
So,
Hey, German. This was supposed to stay, but
the,
it's okay.
the
we can-
stair
we can put it back.
railing.
So we just need to make
So,
sure we.
as you can see, as we go along, sometimes things happen. We just have to make do with what comes along.
So we're gonna take you into all of the bedrooms and the bathrooms here. Tell you kind of what we're doing. This is our main GC guy, German, over here.
That's it, Ron. He does a lot for us. We don't know what we would do without him.
Yeah. So, bedroom, pretty much stripping everything out of here. New doors, new closet doors, new fans, and we might put a few recessed lights in each bedroom to just try to make it a little bit more brighter. New windows.
And initially, when we pick up properties like this is how we usually get them. So with all the furniture and everything that needs to be removed, we have to take care of this prior and during demo day to get it all ready for the contractors to get their job done.
Yeah, she's right. So every house that we buy, a lot of the people that we buy from, you know, they're in distress. They're embarrassed about us coming into their homes and stuff like that. But we tell every client that we come across that everything is okay. We've seen everything. We also tell them to leave everything that they don't want to take. We try to make it as easy as possible for the client to just basically pick up and go start a new chapter in their life. So let me take you around the rest of the bedroom. This is the bathroom here. Like I said, this is
As
a
you can
4
see,
bedroom
they're already doing the demo.
here. This is the master bedroom. So as you can see, you know, the people that lived here didn't want to take nothing. I mean, they left a king size bed, dresser drawers, everything. So they just didn't want to take nothing with them. So my guys will come in here today and get all this out. By the time this house is all cleaned up and stuff, we can actually take a look at the house,
And look at the bones and the structure, the most important part of the house.
see what we want to
See.
change, see what we don't want to change, you know, stuff like that. So.
Occasionally you do find some crazy stuff in the house, so sometimes that's just part of what we do and deal with.
There you go.
So you want to, we can take
So
a
now
look back.
we'll go into the backyard and we'll show you what we got here. So we do have a pool in the back. Go out this way. Go out this way. We can go around this way here. The guys are right there by the door.
While we're going through the property, just making sure that, you know, everyone's safe while the project's happening, and just kind of move out of their way as we go.
Two-car garage right here. Of course, the garage is gonna have to be changed out too. New motor. All this stuff will be cleaned out today as well. We got a 40-yard dumpster over here. We're probably gonna, for this house, for this particular house, we'll probably use 2 of these. It's a lot. It's a lot of trash and junk that we need to throw away, some furniture. We'll take you in the back.
Each of them have their own jobs of what they do around here to.
So yesterday, we got this house 2 days ago. The guys got here and they just started going to work. They started cutting all the trees, kind of making it a little bit more open. There was trees hanging over the roof over here, over the fence. There was trees hanging down over the house, all over the pool. As you can see, the pool's pretty nasty.
We've got some dead frogs in there.
So now I'm going to talk to you about the numbers. And we got this property
For 160.
about $160,000. The rehab's going to cost us about $80,000. The ARV, which is the after repair value, is going to be anywhere from $365 to $375. Now, Kristen over here, she worked with the client for how long, would you say?
It took me 1 year to get this property with a lot of due diligence and hard efforts and work.
Yeah, so it was a probate deal. She worked with the client for a year, and we finally got it locked down, and the seller was happy. We were happy that we got the property, and basically it's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Square footage is around 2,200, would you say 2,200?
Yeah, about that.
About 2,200 square feet, 2,300 square feet. 2-car garage. So normally the projects take us anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks, but because this one has a pool, it's going to be probably 6 to 8 weeks. And there's a lot more work in this one that we got to do than most of them, but we've done plenty of these properties. We flip anywhere from 1 to 3 properties at a time. And what we're doing is we're scaling. So we want to eventually get to the point to where we're doing 6 to 10 properties at a time.
Yeah.
Kind of a bigger backyard. All this stuff will be replaced. Brand new pool pumps, brand new electrical, brand new plumbing. We'll get this pool drained today. after the guys clean up a little bit. Actually, they've done a lot already. This was like a jungle back here. And that's something else that we run into is, you know, these yards, usually these people don't maintain them.
Or
And
not able to.
Yeah, or not able to, and the grass is 3, 4, 5 feet tall, trees everywhere, just overgrown. So we come in, kind of clean it up first so we can see everything. So next time, on our next video, we will be about midway through finishing the project. Each project for us takes about anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks. This one will probably take anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks. So stay tuned to the next video.
And we'll see you soon.